TikTok is currently giving out free credit to everybody who uses their ad manager to promote their business. And the thing is, you can get up to $6,000 and you can convert this to whatever country you're joining from. The equivalent of this is what you get currently. So go now and claim yours. If you really want to grow, a lot of you have not been taking advantage, most especially businesses have not been taking advantage of TikTok ads. You just focus on the promote option that is available on your normal TikTok account. Go and use the ad manager because this claim of $6,000 or 50% off whatever you spend on your ad account on TikTok is only for those who are using the TikTok business manager or ad manager account. So go now and claim this. I'm going to be educating you in case you don't know already how to use the TikTok ad manager account. We've put together a step-by-step guide that walks you on how to go about this. So if you want that, either we help you set it up or you go buy the course and set up your TikTok ad account manager. That is if you need help because it is actually straightforward. And if you have been doing ads on other social media platform, you should be able, most especially on Meta platform like Facebook, Instagram, you should be able to get used to the TikTok ad manager or TikTok for business ad manager account. It's straightforward. The targeting, the different objectives for your ads, they are all the same, whether you want to run ads for awareness, for consideration, or for conversion. All of that are all the same at the back end. So if you need help setting up that, or if you need help guiding you through how to run ads on TikTok and start making money, then that is when we'll come in. We can actually do that for a token for you. But if not, you want to make sure that you're following us on all of our social media platforms, most especially on YouTube, where we provide detailed step-by-step tutorials for you to be able to make money using social media platform. You can see there are a lot of testimonials about those who have been running ads using the TikTok ad manager account. And right now, TikTok is giving you the offer or the opportunity to claim up to $6,000 running your ads using the TikTok ad manager platform. And to be able to get access to this offer right now, a link has been made available. That link is available in our profile. You can check the video description. All you just need to do is click on it, and once it brings you here, you just go ahead and click on the unlock offer, and you go ahead and sign up for an account. Once you do that, it will bring you to this page where you need to sign up using your email and password. You can equally use your phone number if you wish, and then you have the option to sign up with your existing TikTok account. So it means if you are doing this on a browser, you need to log into that browser, you need to log into your TikTok account on that browser, and then you can use your TikTok to sign up. We have put a step-by-step guide that walks you on all of the settings you need to do and how to run different ads using the TikTok ad manager account. If you want that, you can equally check out the link in the video description or send us a DM, and we'll be able to actually help you set up your TikTok ad, and you stand a chance to claim this $6,000 that TikTok is giving out. Now, it is actually more when you start running ads effectively. The more you run, the more you spend, the more that TikTok gives back to you as cashback. So go and take advantage of this and don't let it slide. I'll see you in the next video.